Hi guys, it's a good announcement. Today I'm gonna talk about that. I got an offer letter from Agio for data analyst role, as I've already told in my previous videos. So I'm very much excited and delighted to join and be the part of the most reputable company. And I can't even talk less about how excited I am. I hope that I'm gonna give my best and continue further with building up my skills, working more into my career-oriented objectives, and let's see what happens. And once I join, I will surely announce on LinkedIn. Okay, and for the time being, let's see. I have 3-4 days to join, and I haven't joined the company. My date has not come yet. Okay, I mean 3 to 4 days I have with my hand. I can spend with myself, working on myself, working more into that, brushing up more Excel knowledges, SQL, and I will have to work a lot more in Tableau as well. So company already told that you will be given 2 to 3 weeks, and within that you have to dress up all the concepts, basics, and apart from that, they told that you have to be the subject matter of the Agio products and how exactly company runs, because since I am new into this domain, so they told that you have to go to all you have to cover up all across the product lines and the management things. Okay, and I am really excited that something challenging, something some work that would be very exciting. Since I am new into this domain, let's see how the things goes on. Yes, once I get selected, I mean once I join, the day I join, I will surely come up with one more video. Okay, and eventually I will take you through all across the work process, what exactly things have been done once you are data analyst, once you are placed into that position. So I'm very excited. So you guys also keep working hard, keep talking. So put more efforts into learning the things, and try to make more networks, try to work on your communication. One thing that I would like to say, obviously, that the one thing that actually helped me get this job is because of my communication. See, even there are some people who are very great at technical knowledge, but they are unable to land the job. It's because due to their interpersonal skills and communication, right? So apart from the technical aspects, you have to think the soft skill as well, because that's how it is going to help you take forward in your career. So take these parts into your mind, and that's how actually really push you forward in your career. So be object oriented, be aware of what the things are going around you, and what are the relevant techniques that the technical aspect that you have to go through. Okay, that's it. And once you get the reference, once you get a chance to be interviewed, maybe 10, or even if you get 10 or 15 opportunities, you get a chance at least for 10 interviews, at least 1 or 10 job that you can get a chance to be part of. So don't lose your hope. Just work on yourself. I was a risk taker. Okay, I thought whatever the society, whatever my family, whatever my friends says, doesn't matter. All that matter is what I want in my life. Okay. You know, as I already said that I have done my MBA, and it was quite very difficult, you know, to get a good job because I was placed in sales domain. Since I was not interested, so I didn't like to continue, and that's the reason I took 5 to 6 months in my hand. But it's just that 2.5 months I just started the course, and eventually I landed up at the end of the third month. Okay, for the first 2 months I was just null. I was just void. You know, I had no idea exactly what I have to do, what I wanted in my life. I have gone through project management and all other stuffs, but none of that worked. And then all of a sudden, out of nowhere, one thing that struck in my mind, one thing that hit it in my mind forcefully is that data science. I mean data analyst, because data analyst is something that this is the beginning of the career in data domain, and eventually I can land a job in marketing analyst, right? Market analyst. That's the reason I started off with my data analyst journey, and let's hope for the best, and I wish you as well the best of luck for you or for your life as well. Okay, and don't lose hope. One or other day you will surely get the best in your life. That's it. That's all about you. That's all about it for today, and wait for another video. And if you are new to the channel, I know I have no views, no likes. I know it's since I'm not putting much stress into play into the marketing. Okay, so because I don't have time, okay, to make a proper video and do a right marketing editing. It's quite time taking. That's the reason I'm not putting much stress, much efforts into this, but I just wanted the things to be naturally done. Okay, so that's the reason. So please, if you guys if you guys already come to the end of the video, please do like, subscribe and comment. Okay, and please let me know what are the next content that you wanted to, right? So thank you so much, and best of luck for your career. Thanks.